Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up a Google Maps campaign and rank number one. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I'm on the official Google Maps blog. So first of all, you have to add your business to Google Maps to rank on Google Maps. So you need to go to Google Maps and type your business name into the search bar. Make sure you type in your business name properly. So if there's no information about your business yet, use the add a missing place to Google Maps button or link. Then a window will pop up. After that, you have to fill out the basic business information like the open hours, category of your business, and location. So you have to select your category from here. Then you have to put in your name, your location, and everything else. And now you have to optimize your Google Maps listing. So you need to create a Google Maps profile listing right when you add your business to Google Maps. So to do this, just claim this business, and the maps pop up. This action will immediately take you to the Google business profile page where you can fill out your listing, providing details and information about your company. So this is how you optimize your Google Maps business profile. This will allow you to rank number one in Google Maps searches. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.